Do you want to know how you can choose your department and your role in Otter AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can choose your department and role in Otter AI. Go ahead and open Otter AI on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now, what you can do is click on your profile, which is on the left hand side, and click account settings. Now click edit under your profile and you can see there is department and role. Go ahead and choose your department. So there are some departments like customer support, HR, IT, marketing, product engineering, operations, research, sales, and other. So go ahead and choose your department and you can choose the role. Some of the roles are senior leader, manager, individual contributor. So go ahead and choose your role and you can see your position has been updated. After you're done, click on done and then your department and role has now been changed. I hope this video about how you can change your department and role in Otter AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.